I joined the Air Force because my life was kind of banal for a moment, working a job for 3 years straight. It's not bad. I don't mind it. It's pretty good, but I don't foresee doing this in the long run.
I've been in the Air Force about a year now. It's all right. Shit kind of sucks, but it is what it is.
Why'd I join? Uh, Mainly because my dad was in, but also I had nothing else to do because college didn't work out. And honestly, it's not a bad gig.
I've been in for about 10 months now. I joined this because I had a decent job before this, but due to COVID, so I kind of lost my job and I needed to provide for my family. It's not a bad gig. I'm enjoying it so far.
The reason I joined was because I was flat broke and there was really no jobs where I was from. So I started going active. Once I saw how it was, I'm like, it's not bad. Then I started meeting people. It was getting really good, but like it wasn't really my thing. So I went with reserves. And on the side, I was just doing my other regular job because I actually managed to get a job through the military.
I joined because I kind of always wanted to join um, since I was a little kid, did reserves. So I'm probably going to go active after my contract is up. But I won't say crew chief because I'll probably go medical.
I joined the Air Force because it was right after COVID started getting bad, and the college I was going to went fully online. I've been in for probably about eight or 10 months at this point. It's all right. I don't mind it.
I joined because I've always wanted to do it since I was a little kid, and I've been in for almost a year. I like my jobs because I used to do it when I was at home, and I like using my hands a good bit. So
I've always wanted to do this. Just hit a plateau in life where I did other things, realized I had a fuller potential, and I wanted to go and find my potential. I've only been in probably be a year and a couple weeks. I love it so far. I like a good challenge, and I want to know what I'm made of.
Did one enlistment, got out, then went through the whole course of trying to find a civilian job. Wasn't working out, so I went back in the military. So far, it's not bad.
All right, I've been in for 8 months. I joined because I had already done college and had a career and didn't like where it was going and really didn't want to go back to college. How do I like it so far? If you like working outside and you like working with your hands, you'll like maintenance.
How's it going? Been in for about 8 months now. I joined because I really didn't want to go to college. And, so far, it's all right. I like working outside, so it's not that bad. But there's some days that it sucks. You know, the cold, wind, rain. But other than that, it's pretty good.